Alright everybody, we're out here with the Potensic Navigator 3. I'm going to take it for a spin. I got another one. You see my red one didn't work out too well, so they sent me another one, okay? And there it is. So let's get some video started. Okay, we got that going. We did the calibration. Let's take off. You know, when I had it out a couple of weeks ago, it flew great. Only problem was the battery only lasted 3 minutes. So that's not good. This one's flying the same. Actually, what this is going to be is basically test the battery. I mean, is it always going to be, you know, like that, or, you know, who knows? Because we know it flies good. Oh, there it says 18% battery. Went from 100% down to 18% in a matter of, how long was I flying that thing? A minute? 2 minutes? 2 minutes at the most. I do not know what is going on with these batteries, but it's a problem. And it's a big problem. So, I can't recommend this, man. I just can't. Not with this kind of crap going on. I'll cut the video. Yeah, 2-3 minutes, no. Now this is the second one. Plus, I had an extra battery. So I've had 3 batteries and 2 quadcopters, and I can't get 3 minutes of flight time out of this thing. So I say, forget it. Don't buy this thing. Not until they can work this battery issue out. The batteries, they won't charge, or they have a hard time charging. You have to try all these different chargers. They tell you to use only the 1 amp, so that's what I did. You know, from the beginning, I only used the 1 amp, you know, but I trickle charge it, fast charge it, whatever I do, it shows 100% when you first start it up and then drops right down and goes to the crapper right away. So I say stay away from this thing. It flies great for a minute, and then it doesn't. So all right guys, I'll talk to you later.